Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic prevention over inspection. This is a very important topic with respect to project management or quality management. This topic is very important. Friend, basically this topic is pertaining to project management or quality management. So today we'll see this topic in detail and what does that mean by prevention over inspection and which one is better, prevention or inspection. Friend, with respect to exam point of view, if you are studying for project management in any university or planning to give exam of PMP, so friend, this topic is very important, and you will see this topic in exam. At least 5 to 10 questions you will definitely see in the exam, especially of PMP. If you are a professional project manager, and again this topic is very important for you to understand the concept and difference between prevention and inspection. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Prevention over inspection. Friend, just see this image or this image here. Prevention is better than cure. Friend, if I ask from you with respect to quality management, quality perspective, which one is better, prevention or inspection? Friend, it's a very common phrase that prevention is better than cure. Let me give you a very simple example, a comparison between prevention over inspection. That, for example, um, if you uh, if you work hard, if you do exercise, and you avoid oily things, oily food, so it is better for you. Rather, you become you have to face disease of blood pressure, or you become patient of heart and etc. And then you start eating medicines for blood pressure, sugar, and like heart diseases. So friend, it is better, the prevention is better. What does that mean by prevention? Like, you do exercise every day, you avoid cold drinks, you avoid fatty things, fatty food, oily food, like for example junk food, etc. So if you avoiding these things, this is called as prevention approach. And inspection approach is that you don't avoid all these things, and you inspect your health by going in hospital, and after inspection it will be analyzed that, for example, any problem like sugar or blood pressure you have to face, and then you have to eat the medicines for blood pressure and hearts. So friend, this is a very simple and very common, very general, easy to understand example of prevention over inspection. So it's a very common phrase that prevention is better than cure. So friend, in project management or in quality, same concept of prevention over inspection applies. That prevention over inspection is the common sense principle that the cost of preventing mistakes is generally much less than the cost of correcting them. It's a very common approach, friend. Same applies, which we were discussing the same example, that the cost of preventing mistakes is generally much less than the cost of correcting them. See friend, here, for example, if you are working on a vendor side and you are producing some hardware, for example. So rather you apply some approaches that prevent the mistakes, rather than if you go for the correction of defects. So it will be more problematic for you, it will be, if you have to face more cost for you. So friend, remember one thing, whatever we are discussing, we are basically discussing with respect to project management, and quality aspect is here. Remember one thing, that whenever we talk about quality in project management, quality means, friend, fulfillment of requirements of customer. So this is called the concept of quality here. So prevention over inspection, this topic purely, right now we are discussing this topic with respect to quality management of project, our project management. So remember one thing, whenever we talk about quality, quality means fulfillment of requirement, delivery of requirements. If we have agreed as per the scope of document as assigned scope of work that we have to deliver 5 tasks to customer, and we are delivering 5 tasks, same 5 tasks to customer as per the assigned scope of work, so that means you are fulfilling the quality. Remember one thing, quality doesn't mean adding of addition of extra features, extra functionalities. It doesn't mean it means purely the requirements which have been agreed with the customer, fulfillment of that requirement, delivery of that requirement as per the signed scope of work, as per the agreed scope of work, that is called as quality. Now remember one thing, prevention over inspection. We will talk that prevention is better than inspection. It is, remember one thing, always remember one thing, that with respect to quality, the cost of preventing mistakes is much less than the cost of correcting them. Now moving towards see friend here, that many years ago the main focus was on inspection. If we talk about with respect to with respect to quality, the cost of doing is so high that it is better to spend money preventing problems. Quality must be planned in, not to inspected in. Friend, this was just a definition. See here, for example, if you are let me give you an example. Like for example, if you are implementing an e-commerce solution and you have to build a software solution in any software technology, like for example, assume that you have to build in, let's assume that you have to build in .NET technology, ASP.NET technology, for example. So if we talk just apply the prevention over inspection approach, is that for example you notice that your team is not properly trained and you have to arrange the trainings for them. So this is called as prevention approach. Prevention means that you know that your team is not properly trained, and if you provide proper training to them, it will give you a good quality. However, this is called as prevention approach. Okay, taking proactive approach and avoiding the mistakes at a very early stage. The alternate approach is that we will not provide the training at a very early stage, and once the project execution starts and you have delivered the things to customer, and then at that stage you realize that your team is not capable enough to deliver the task to the customer, then you take some initiatives. Then as you take, after some inspection, you realize that that quality of work is not good, you are not delivering the work as per the requirement, then that is the case of inspection. So remember one thing, prevention is better than inspection. Prevention is proactive approach and inspection is reactive approach. Always remember that the cost of prevention is much less than the cost of inspection. It is much better that you avoid the mistakes through prevention approach at a very earliest approach, rather than you do the mistakes and you correct the defects. It is a much higher cost of in case of inspection. Discuss few examples. Like for example, for if we talk about prevention, prevention is about taking proactive action to ensure defects are not introduced in the product, creating checklist, training people in testing methods, creating effective test plans. These all are preventive acts. What are the prevention approach? For example, friend, like for example, you are providing training materials to the team, training guides to the team, proper training, proper test plans will be produced. Test plan, for example, if you are implementing an e-commerce solution, you plan a proper test plan at a very early stage of a project. When the project signed, at that time of moment, you created a test plan as well. So remember one thing, prevention is the proactive approach. Prevention is proactive approach. Now if we talk about inspection, inspection is about examining deliverables with intent to find any defects or deviation from documented requirements, so that customer gets the deliverables that implement given requirements. Quality control activities are conducted from this perspective. So friend, inspection is a reactive approach. Inspection means, for example, you produce a t-shirt. So quality control or the inspection approach is that the inspection division inspect that the quality meet or not you do the inspection. If there is any defects found, so you have to reject the product, you have to reject the t-shirt here, and you have to do the some alternate approach, you have to approach to adopt here. So remember friend, here the with respect to quality point of view, prevention approach is much better than the inspection approach. Prevention approach is proactive approach in which you take initiatives at a very earlier stage to avoid the mistakes. Inspection is a reactive approach in which you inspect the things, inspect the deliverables, and take the and for try to find out the defects through the inspection. If any defects found, so you have to take the corrective action here. And remember one thing, quality control is a type of inspection. So friend, prevention cost of prevention you put at a very early stage is much less than the cost of inspection you put at some later stage, because prevention is much better than the inspection approach, because prevention is proactive approach and inspection is a reactive approach. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.